Intro, catchy music, dig dig talk logo appears. Achos T. Hey, diggers and dreamers. Welcome back to Dig Dig Talk, the only channel where stories get deeper than bedrock. And today, we're not just mining diamonds, we're mining emotions. That's right, we're talking about Minecraft, story mode, the game that added plot twists to pixels. But then came something unexpected. A game that dared to ask, what if Minecraft had a story? A real one with characters, choices, and consequences. Cut to, host on screen, Minecraft background. We're talking heroes, villains, friendship, betrayal, Enderman with attitude, everything. Now, we all love the classic Minecraft, crafting, building, running from creepers like it's cardio day. Your sidekick? Ruben, a pig with more heart than a double chest of diamonds. Screen graphic, title card, Minecraft, story mode by Telltale Games. Released in 2015 by Telltale Games, Minecraft, story mode took the world of blocks and added a full-blown adventure. If you didn't cry, are you even human? Clip montage gameplay scenes, Jesse, Ruben the pig, the Order of the Stone. Blow up a bridge? Regret, forever. You play as Jesse, a customizable hero who, depending on your choices, can be a brave leader or a total chaos crafter. The Order of the Stone was more than just a bunch of blockheads. They were the Avengers of the Minecraft world, minus the capes, plus a whole lot of stone swords. It said, hey builders, you've crafted worlds. Now let us tell you a story inside one. Cut to, host looking mock serious. You can't even download it legally anymore. Unless you already own it, it's vanished like a creeper in daylight. And let's be real, when that thing happens to Ruben. Screen, gameplay showing decisions and consequences. Telltale nailed the interactive storytelling. Your choices actually mattered. Say something nice. You earn a friend. Cut to, host with dramatic flair. Who was your favorite character? Were you Team Petra or Team Olivia? Drop it all in the comments. This game wasn't just about survival. It was about legacy. Clip, Witherstorm destruction scenes. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into games, myths, and the stories that make us say, dig dig wow. And then came the Witherstorm, a beast so massive, it made ender dragons look like house cats. Watching it tear through the world, wild, facing it, terrifying. Cut to host smiling. Minecraft, story mode was more than a spin-off. It was a love letter to the Minecraft community. Graphic, what happened to story mode? Maybe some sad music. Sadly, after Telltale shut down in 2018, the game was delisted. But hey, stories like this, they stick. And maybe, just maybe, one day it'll rise again, like a phoenix from pixelated ashes. So tell me, did you play Minecraft story mode? Hit that like button like you're smashing obsidian with a diamond pickaxe. Outro graphic, dig dig talk where every story gets unearthed. Optional segment ideas. What if Minecraft story mode continued? Ruben, the greatest pig in gaming. Top 5 most emotional moments in story mode.